All right, guys, Jackie DeSilva here from Western Massachusetts. And in this video, we're going to talk about Valor Essential Oil. So before I begin, I just want to mention this disclaimer. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This information is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. This information is not intended or implied to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, please consult your physician before using these products. All right, guys, so here is the logo to Young Living's Quality Commitment C to Seal Quality Commitment that's been established in 1994, and I'm going to be talking specifically about Young Living for several reasons in the next couple of slides. So all oils in the world fall into one of four categories: authentic, manipulated, perfume, or synthetic. Authentic means that the oils are 100% pure with no added synthetics or other species in the bottle. And these are actually Young Living oils. Manipulated means that the final product has been made to smell more pleasing and less earthy. Some of the heavier molecules have been stripped out or another species introduced to enhance the aroma. Perfume oils are not pure. They are mixed with synthetics to enhance aroma, and these oils have no therapeutic action, and frequently solvents are used to extract the plant. Synthetic oils are not true oils at all. They smell nothing like the original plant and are typically labeled as scented products. These are synthetic. So authentic is basically the only true pure oil out there. Synthetic oils would be kind of like opening up your fridge, taking a glass of orange juice and diluting it 95% before you drink it, but diluting it with chemicals. So it just wouldn't have the same benefits of a full glass of just only orange juice. So that's why you want to use authentic oils. So before you purchase any oils, check to see if the company grows their own plants, has seed to seal, and controls the entire process from the farm to the sealed bottle. Pesticides, pollution, previously farmland, all of it can actually affect the quality of an oil. So why would you go the extra step of using an oil to get away from a chemical, only to use an oil laden with chemicals? It makes no sense. So for example, if you walk into a grocery store and look at a box of cereal, you'll actually see nutrition facts on the side, but there are no nutrition facts on the side of oils. So that means you have to trust the source. You have to know the company you are purchasing from. So what sets Young Living aside? It's their seed to seal process. It's their promise of purity. And you can actually learn more about seed to seal at seedtoseal.com. So all of Young Living oils are shipped from around the world to Spanish Fork, Utah, where they actually run through vigorous 8-point testing to ensure purity. Those tests are run in triplicate at the farm, at Spanish Fork, and a third time before bottling. It's why Young Living has never had a recalled essential oil in more than 2 decades of business. So you can definitely trust the integrity. Seed to Seal is also based on 3 pillars: sourcing, science, and standards. Young Living's oils are tested by scientists with over 180 years of combined lab experience. They also do third-party testing with 2 accredited, respected, independent labs. So Young Living's seed to seal process is a promise of integrity. There are no pesticides used, no artificial fertilizers, and no weed killers. The plants are harvested at their peak, and they're then put through a vigorous testing process. Then they go from the farm directly to your home. So seed to seal is not a slogan, it is a promise. So let's dig into Valor Essential Oil. So this blend is one of the most popular products and a favorite of founder and chairman of the board, D. Gary Young of Young Living. And it's actually a truly unique blend of black spruce, blue tansy, camphor wood, geranium, and frankincense. Valor has a woodsy, grounding aroma that is great for massages and other topical and aromatic uses. And you can use it to greet each morning with a positive attitude or just to refocus at the end of a challenging day. So here are some examples of applications. You can actually combine Valor Essential Oil with the V6 Vegetable Oil Complex or any carrier oil such as coconut oil or olive oil to unwind before bed with a grounding neck or back massage. You can actually refresh throughout the day by directly inhaling Valor or massaging it onto your neck, chest, or hands and wrists. And you can wear Valor as a bold, inspiring cologne or use it as a top note for personalized scents. You can add it to Young Living's bath and shower gel base or just to a hot bath to invigorate your bath and shower routine. So where to diffuse? You can actually make your bedroom headquarters for motivating self-talk, boosted by this woodsy and earthy scent. You can uplift your living spaces with warm complexities of this fragrance, and you can actually tackle work's biggest tasks supported by this empowering aroma. And before you go on a life's adventure, you can actually prepare for life's adventures anywhere they may take you by infusing your space with this bold blend. You can sink into at-home spa experience by surrounding yourself with a comforting sense of blue tansy, frankincense, and black spruce during a do-it-yourself facial or pedicure. And you can keep the comfort of your home with you on the road by using a personal diffuser to infuse this calming aroma into hotel rooms, airports, or just other stuffy travel spots that you go along to. You can also experience and use Valor's invigorating aroma in the morning for an uplifting and empowering scent to approach a day. Its vivacious scent is a favorite companion to an intrepid spirit. So for the directions, the label directions, you can use it topically and aromatically. Topically, you can apply 2 to 4 drops directly to desired area. Dilution is not required except for the most sensitive skin, and use as needed. And you can actually diffuse up to 1 hour 3 times daily. So product background. So Valor is one of the original blends formulated by D. Gary Young and is a long-standing member favorite. Each essential oil in the blend was carefully selected for its unique aromatic and topical benefits. Frankincense for its uplifting earthy aroma and skin-soothing properties. Blue spruce for its grounded woodsy fragrance. And blue tansy for its inspiring aromatic profile. Geranium for its sweet floral fragrance, which I absolutely love and use it constantly now every day for a great tick repellent. And actually camphor wood for its skin benefiting properties and strong herbaceous scent. So this powerful synergistic blend with a transformative aroma has contributed to its strong legacy as a key part of Young Living's property of the raindrop technique. So Valor Essential Oil Blend actually joined the Young Living team family in 1994. So that is some background information on Valor. So this is it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. Take care and God bless.